Hi there, Dr. Lissa here with some tips on how to clean and store your Orff instruments for the summer. For this session, you will need some protection for your hands, some rags that you don't care about, a good furniture polish. One I like to use is Scott's Liquid Gold, takes a lot of dings out of the box, and some Old English scratch cover, dark for rosewood, and the lighter color if you have lighter colored bars. You'll also need a fine point metallic gold pen if you need to remark the letters that are stamped into the bars. First, we're going to remove the bars and see what's inside. We're going to vacuum this out. I think there's even a spider in here. After that, we're going to polish the box. Ta-da! After the Goo Gone, looks like new, doesn't it? So, in review, to clean and recondition your instruments, you need gloves, Old English scratch cover, liquid gold or another furniture polish, Goo Gone if you're trying to get rid of adhesive marks, a thin fine point gold metallic pen, lots of rags, some old bath towels to roll your bars up in, and bungee cords or some other way to fasten the bath towel into a roll. The sleeping bag for the summer. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you again on our next episode.